Alright, so now we're going to be taking a look at how to use OnCollisionEnter. So let's go ahead and set up our scene. Go to Game Object, Create Other, and create a plane. Create a cube. And go ahead and create a sphere as well. Let's go ahead and add in some lighting. And apply soft shadows over here. And go ahead and select your sphere and go ahead and go to Component, Physics, Rigid Body. Alright, so the way this is going to work is we're going to have these two colliders of these two objects collide with each other. And once that happens, we're going to go ahead and output something to the console that says, "Ow, you hit me." So once again, we've covered this before, but if we take a look at our actual sphere and turn off the mesh renderer, all we're left with is our collider. The cube has one as well. You can see right here. So those are the colliders for our game objects. So let's go ahead and create our script. Right click, create JavaScript, and just name it sphere. Double click to open it up. And we're going to go ahead and create a new function, and so we call it OnCollisionEnter. We're going to say COL of type collision, and you want to make sure it's a uppercase C on the collision. It's going to be all blue if you have it correct. And we're going to say if COL dot game object dot name equals, now two equal signs means equals, and we're going to go type in the name of the game object, cube, and you want to make sure that this is case sensitive as well, so whatever you name it in here, it needs to match in the hierarchy as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and say print, "Ow, you hit me." Then finish off with two curly brackets. Alright, so this is pretty easy to understand, but let's go over it. So we're going to say the sphere is going to collide with our cube, and if it does, we're going to go ahead and do this. So it's going to go ahead and look for a game object called cube, and if it finds that game object called cube, it's going to output this line right here. So let's go ahead and save this and apply this script to our sphere. There it is. Alright, so now if we hit play, it hit the cube, and if we look at our console, you can see it says, "Ow, you hit me." Now we can go one step further and just apply a destroy at the very end. So destroy game object. So what this is going to do is output this. Let's go ahead and destroy the game object. So click save. Press play again. And you can see, once again, in the console, we have "Ow, you hit me," and the sphere destroyed itself. So that is how you use OnCollisionEnter.